Oh, she comes out?
Yeah.
Anyway, let's just do it. Okay.
Just like lean that way. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Hi, welcome back. I'm Giselle, and today I'm going to talk to you about a treatment that I've been using on my customers and on myself, and it's amazing. So you all know how much I like treatments, especially to hydrate the hair, to give it more protein, even out the porosity, everything that'll help the hair to not be frizzy, be shiny, help the color last longer. But I find that some of my customers have a really difficult time having 20 minutes extra to use at home and to bag it. I'm doing some research and I found this product that it's amazing. You don't have to leave it 20 minutes. It actually is a mask that stays in the hair, and it's K18. Now, you put it in the hair, and I'm going to be showing you how to use it. It's very simple. This is for all the people that do not have the time to wait 20 minutes or 10, 15 minutes. You just go ahead and you apply it in the hair like a conditioner. If you see my daughter, please don't worry about it. She just, wants to be part of the video. How I use it on myself and on my customers is that I shampoo the hair and rinse the shampoo, and then I condition it, rinse the conditioner after 5 minutes. I come out of the shower and I use this together with the leave-in conditioner. Do you have to use it together with the leave-in conditioner? No, you don't. But I find that my customers that I use this product on have extremely dry hair, and most of my customers have chemically treated hair. So I find that I put the mask on, which you don't need that much. I'll show you kind of how much. I put the mask on, and then after I apply it, I spray a little bit of the leave-in conditioner. And this is the leave-in conditioner that I use with it. I have other ones, but I'm really enjoying this leave-in conditioner. And all the makeup that you see right here, I really like it too. And when you apply it, I apply it from mid-length to ends. But if you have over-processed hair or highlights, you can go ahead and apply it a little bit higher. I just make sure I don't apply it directly on the scalp because the scalp doesn't really need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do it. So I already shampooed my hair. I did put some conditioner, very light conditioner in the shower. I came out of the shower, I towel blotted my hair to remove the excess water out of my hair so that way it's able to penetrate better. I parted it in the middle, and I already put some in my hair, but as you can see, my hair is pretty long. So I'm gonna put a little bit more like this. You can see, it's probably like a quarter size or a little bit less than a quarter size. I do this, but I'm not gonna put it all at once. So what I'm gonna do is very lightly from mid-length to ends. I still have leftover from mid-length to ends. The ends are very important. So I did comb my hair prior to applying it because I just like to do that. It's easier for the hair, for the product to go in evenly, but you can comb it after. Then I go ahead and I apply the leave-in conditioner ever so lightly. You don't have to apply much. Again, from mid-length to ends, so spray some in my fingers and then grab, especially these areas that we tend they tend to get damaged more because this is where we lighten it more and this is where the hair is thinner. You wait your 4 minutes. That's simple. You wait your 4 minutes and you go ahead and you apply anything else, styling products that you would like, and you blow dry it, flat iron it, and then curl it. And you will be amazed on how your hair is gonna feel. If you try it, you are just going to love how it leaves the hair. Your curly hair is going to be a lot more defined. It's gonna feel so soft. A lot of my customers are saying, they're sending me texts saying how much they're enjoying their hair. It leaves it soft but yet bouncy. It's shiny. It works with any type of hair. If you have fine hair, it does not make it limp. It's so simple and it's comparable. It's exactly like the treatments that you wait 20 minutes and you rinse it out, it works exactly the same. The only difference is that this mask stays in your hair. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And remember that shiny hair is healthy hair. Right, Madre? Oh, now she's hiding. Okay, ciao.